I got the Lexus emblem right here. LED glow in the motherfucking dark, you know. So I'm about to swap it out for my current not LED, my current emblem, which is blacked out, but I had put plastic dip on it. That's why you see a little bit of cracking out on there. So this thing is gonna definitely turn some heads in the dark for sure. So let me kind of show y'all how I look real quick. Bam, got the LED Lexus light on here. I'm putting this on. Even though I wish this part was a little black, but it is what it is. I kind of fuck with it though. Once you put this thing in the nighttime, it's gonna be hard. I already know it. So let's put this bad boy on. So first remove the emblem. I got this little tool right here. Let's see if I can pop this out. I think this should be this glue. Should just pop out. We're gonna see. Yeah, like it's glue. Some good glue. Okay, I got something for you. Since they want to play all day, we're gonna pop this bitch out. We're gonna pop it out. It's okay. Play hard to get if you want to. 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 Some good glue though. I'm gonna make sure it's all glue though, cause I don't want to be like break something. I feel like it's all epoxy adhesive. Okay, cool. I can just pop this out. Thank God. Got it out, man. Emblem out. Then just make sure again, size test it. Bam, that do fit. Doesn't sit super smooth. It doesn't sit super smooth on here, cause it's supposed to see I got the little this right here. So this one probably not even a factory. Oh, this one, okay, I see. It got the little speaker on here. So this don't have that. So it might be a little issue. So I might get some more adhesive on this. It'll fit. I'm a little nervous about this though. I want to have it hooked on these pieces right here, unlike that one. So I'm a little nervous. I might have to put some stronger adhesive on it because I don't want this to fall off. But let me see first before I do anything. Let me see how I can funnel this through the wires first to make it look neat. How can I funnel these through? Because it's supposed to go through. Is there any holes I can put this in? Can I funnel it through here? I could. Okay. I could do that. Okay, I can do that. Only issue. So a little hole is a little gap on this part, a little bit. I can't see it. Okay. So if this not even putting no adhesive on there, so it looked like that. Okay. See how it's falling off right here? So, cause you know with this metal piece, you got it's metal, so you can kind of bend it a little bit. You can kind of bend this a little bit. I wish I had this part on here, make it lock in. I'm gonna have to take all this off. Let me take all this off. Okay, right where I put it at, right here. Let me see, would that fit? Oh, I need a bigger one. Oh. Let me see. If not, I gotta put the big one in there. Let me see. Let me see if that fits. Yeah. Oh god, damn, no, this don't fit here either. Oh Jesus, I gotta put the gigantic, the normal one in there. Okay. Okay. Okay, gotta put a bigger hole in that bit. Okay, whatever. Okay, let me see. There you go, shit. No fucking well, that bitch go through. Does it fit through this bitch? That's all I care about. Does it fit through this motherfucker? So I didn't really have to hit, okay. There you go, bam, fuck you. Got in this hole, there you go. Okay. I'm trying to make sure this shit is in there. The only thing I don't like is this right part, which, oh, okay, I kind of got it. You gotta be a little aggressive with it. I'm gonna hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, cool. I see a little tension coming off that top though. That's the only thing I don't like. I'm still gonna keep pushing. I'm still pushing that shit in a little bit. So what I'm gonna do on this part, cause this part is kind of still popping out, I'm gonna go get some more adhesive so it'll lock on these edges on here, cause this is kind of popping out a little bit. This side is okay. Let's see how the bottom looks. The bottom looks decent. Bottom looks decent, but this part gonna bother me right here, so I'm gonna go to the store and buy me some adhesive so I can get that to be stuck in there. Probably get some epoxy. I don't know, depends how I feel. So I'm gonna install this on here just to make some sealant. It works perfectly good, so let's get it done. Talk on there, pause. Not a big fan of it, but it's sealed off. All the openings pretty much sealed. Gotta wait for the fuel to cure out. I did put a nice smear on there, but I just wiped off everything before it dried off. The reason why I didn't put more adhesive on there is because with this, unlike an emblem, emblem is like metal or whatever material, it makes it easier to bend and fold where any holes are in that are in. With this LED emblem, it's more stiff, and I don't want to have to keep forcing it on there and bend it to make it fully seat on there. So I'd rather just save me the time and not damage it, because it is a pretty fragile emblem. So the caulk should be good once it's fully cured. So we're gonna see probably tomorrow how this looks. So that's me putting it on. That's before I even light it up. So that looks pretty neat. I'm gonna loop it same way I did. I'm gonna loop this all the way through here, all the way through the wire. I'm gonna hold that right here. I'm gonna loop it. But hold on. If I do that, hold on. Check out it. I'm gonna try to loop this all the way through.
2 wires in here, 2 wires in here. They got to be the same polarity, but then you just, bam, snap that together.
Yeah.
So what you would do is, you would take this wire. Here, let's put this on. That way it makes it easier. That way we won't get the polarities mixed up. Let's see. Like so, and then just squeeze this.
Like crimping it.
Yes, but it's just, this one doesn't even require a real fancy crimp. It just needs to be squeezed. All right, so there's your connection.
Oh shit, yeah.
Right. So then
you look for the other one.
You look for the other one, which is this wire. No, we got this wire.
Okay.
So that's that wire.
This one.
Then you take this one, connect these two now. They should, the black should be on the side that's matching black here. If we did it right. So bam.
Yeah, let me get my key real quick.
Let me look at these just to make sure that wire's on there right.
There you go. Then.
See there?
No, shit.
Okay, you good. You was good putting it up there and then having this one. Just got to be careful with it. There we go. Bam. Where's that pliers at? So you can see the wires are in there now.
Yeah, black and red, yeah, right there.
Then we just slide these on.
Yeah.
Connections made.
Put that one. This one, the old one, and I pull that one out. That 15 out. Was it 15? So was it this? Was it first or back? What was it again?
Doesn't matter which side they go in.
Yeah,
They both got to be in.
Okay, I think it was, but yeah, they both had to be in. Yeah. If he had it like this, I see the cord right here.
Which one was it?
I can see it right here.
Oh, that's right. We had a little groove cut.
Mm-hmm. Let me fire this up. Let me see.
How does that look?
Let's see. The black, red looks. The red looks in there. The black looks in there.
All right. So if it looks close. I can't really tell. So let me
It looks like it. It looks like it.
so let's just plug them back in.
Let's just try right there. Let's see.